Recreating the clean, editorial-style graph animations seen in Vox documentaries usually takes a significant amount of manual keyframing and layout work inside Fusion. In this video, we will walk through a helpful workflow that uses an AI integration inside DaVinci Resolve to build the foundation of our chart, which we will then quickly polish with simple grain and vignette nodes. After installing the Modus MCP plugin from the link in the description, navigate to the Workspace menu at the top, scroll down to Workflow Integrations, and open Modus MCP. Once the panel initializes on your screen, simply click New Chat to start a fresh project. Rather than designing everything from scratch, we can gather visual inspiration to guide the AI generator. Open your web browser and search Pinterest for Vox-style graphic design. We want to look for specific visual cues, like clean line charts, minimal layouts, and hand-drawn outlines. Once you find some designs that match the aesthetic you want, copy their links or save them locally so we can use them as references. Now, return to DaVinci Resolve and upload your saved reference images directly into the Modus MCP chat box. We will write a clear, descriptive prompt asking the AI to follow this style for a 10-second graph animation. This specific chart will compare the editing impact of A-roll, B-roll, music, and motion graphics. When the AI finishes generating, click Import into Resolve and drag the file from your media pool onto the timeline. Let's see the result after only one prompt. The result is already great, but to give the graphic a more tactile, handcrafted aesthetic, we can ask the AI for a revision. Let's prompt it to apply a paper texture effect so that the text, lines, and background look as if they are made of physical paper. Once the updated version is generated, import it and place it on video track 2. To blend this asset cleanly into our edit, we can add some manual adjustments in the Fusion page. Select Open in Fusion page and press Shift plus Spacebar to search for a vignette node. Insert it into your node pipeline, then head over to the inspector to adjust the size, anamorphism, and softness sliders to gently shade the outer borders. Next, search for and insert a grain node right after the vignette. We can tweak the power and size sliders to apply a subtle, organic texture that mimics real film stock. Returning back to our main edit page, we can play the timeline back to view the final result. We now have an organic, textured Vox-style line graph ready to use in your next documentary edit, made in only 2 minutes.